In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flow in Magnific AI Desktop. By the end, you'll have a clear path from opening the app to selecting a flow and tailoring it to your project, all in a clean, organized workspace. Start by opening the Magnific app. You can use the desktop application or access it in your browser. The interface and options are the same where it matters for creating flows. Give the app a moment to load so all your projects and tools appear correctly. On the left-hand sidebar, click Spaces. Think of spaces as dedicated rooms for your work. Each one keeps related flows, assets, and experiments together. If you work across multiple teams or ideas, this is where you'll keep things neatly separated and easy to find later. Next, click New Space. This instantly creates a fresh, blank workspace just for this effort. It's a great habit to start new flows in their own space so you can manage versions, collaborators, and notes without mixing them with other projects. You'll see an empty canvas that's ready for your build. Inside your new space, click the Flows tab. Flows are the building blocks of automation in Magnific, a sequence of steps that take inputs, transform them, and produce outputs. The Flows area is where you discover available options, review details, and open any that fit your use case. Finally, choose the flow you want to use and edit it based on your needs. Open a flow to review how it's structured, including its nodes, inputs, and outputs. Adjust settings to match your data, your desired logic, and the format you want in the results. Rename elements to keep things readable, add helpful descriptions for future reference, and tailor parameters so the flow behaves consistently. As you refine, make small, deliberate changes, and verify that the flow still follows the intent of your project. That's all it takes. Go to Magnific, open spaces, create a new space, head into flows, then pick a flow, and make it your own. With this foundation, you can confidently build, adapt, and reuse flows across your work